Alright, so I primed it up a little bit because I'm going to stick some tiles up. And I needed the edge primed before I stick the tiles up. Otherwise it'd be too hard to get a good edge on it. So let's see what happens. Ooh, fancy. Man, this stuff feels like it's gonna stick good. All right. We are stuck. Dang. So I think I've solved my hitch problem. As you know, last time I ordered one from an E350 van, it wouldn't fit. And this time I got one for a Chevy Express van. And I think it's gonna line up pretty close. I'm gonna have to cut this rear valance. But yeah, this one's gonna work out. So, let me go ahead and get everything lined up. I'm gonna have to cut this section out right here. So I'll get started on that. Oh boy. I even had this color matched. It came out kind of blue. I hope it lightens up a little bit when it dries, but I wanted it to be gray, but it came out a gray blue. Not what I was going for. All right, so I've made a determination to try to slim down my projects because I've got too many, can't complete them all. So I really like this truck. I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos before. I picked this thing up for 850 bucks. Put a new fuel pump in it, got the engine running. I bought it for the axles basically. I was going to use those on my Jeep project. But this thing does everything I want it to do, and it's factory safe and reliable. And I think I'm just gonna like concentrate on this because this thing makes me happy. This over here is too much of a project. Maybe when I was younger, that would have been a great project. Maybe I'll hang on to it. I don't know. Well, for right now, I'm gonna concentrate my efforts on this and the camper. And I'm sorry about the boat camper. I really want to do that, but I was going down the wrong path, and that the hull would not, it's not great for like white water and deep water and stuff like that. So, and my wife didn't like the idea, so we're changing directions here. I'm concentrating on building a nice truck, getting rid of this bed. Got a flat bed for it. Got a new headliner, a new seat. So I have a 2008. Don't exactly match. Everything bolts in though, so we're good to go. Now I got to take this bed off so I can put my flat bed on. Why do you do this, Mark? Why do you take on these big ass projects? I don't know. Keeps you young, I guess. This YouTube channel, you just see one 50-year-old guy trying to do the best of what he's got. Alright, all the bolts are. Cut them out. Should be able to pick it up on one side and see how loose it is. Just want to show you guys, this was a T50 made in the USA. Hopefully you can see that. So, kind of doesn't matter, USA, Chinese, Japanese, whatever. Well, decided to fix my headliner. Actually, it's not fixed yet. I just bought this. Well, decided to fix my headliner, and here's the one I bought at the junkyard, and then had to get it home. And I didn't want to put it in the back of the bed, which also got a new seat back there for my truck. But this is how I'm getting it home. So hopefully I'll make it. This is how I got my headliner home. Here's my droopy headliner. Here's my 2008 nice headliner. They kind of match, not much, but similar. 25 bucks, can't beat it. I've got a better seat. These are okay, but the 2008 seat is better. It's a little nicer. It's all dirty and stuff, but it can be cleaned up nice. And pulled the seat out. I'm going to pressure wash the mat in here, take the headliner out, and then stick the new headliner in. So let me do that and get back with you after I have completed. I almost lost a bolt. All right. Okay, this is pressure washed. Hey, I left the keys in the ignition. I shouldn't have done that. Maybe not. I still left the lights on. Putting the headliner in, cleaned up pretty nice. Pressure washing it. Yeah, I just took the pressure washer right in here and pressure washed the whole thing. Put the headliner up. Not too worried about scratching anything. All right, here's the end result. Here's the flatbed I got out of the junkyard. Came off a 2006 model. This is a 2005 truck. There's the 2008 headliner. I still need to do some work on the visors. They don't exactly match, so got some work to do on that, but I got a nice seat. Still needs a little cleaning. I pressure washed it, so it's a little cleaner. But the old junk truck is looking pretty good. This flatbed actually costs twice what the truck costs, but it was totally worth it. Got the storage on the side. But it's the 5.4 four-wheel drive beat up work truck, and I really like it. For some reason, I like this better than all the trucks I've had so far, even my diesel Cummins. So more to come on this one. But got any suggestions and ideas about this? I definitely want to replace this door and get this cleaned up. So I'm going to look for some nice doors, maybe, you know, some electric doors and electric windows and locks and stuff like that. And it's got the 3-valve 5.4 in it. I'm really thinking about converting that to a 2-valve and maybe putting a turbo on it. I really think that would be the ultimate setup for me. Transmission's working, but it makes a lot of noise. And I've got another one that I'm going to replace it with. But I mean, it drives not bad for, I think I got it probably about $3,000 in the whole truck. And I'm pretty happy with that. All right, got any thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.